thought we were amazing today. I thought it was a very, very good performance. Best of the season for me. You know, we talk about it don't matter how you get them, but if you get 3 points, then that's the most important thing. We got both today. We got the 3 points and 3 goals, and for me, the best performance of the season.
And looking at your performance today, it was full of attacking qualities. Connor, especially Connor and Jackson, they played their part in the victory today for you.
Absolutely. You know, Connor drops in there and links the play and does what he does, and you know, and Fowles, who's got that little bit of a free role to make things happen. But then we've got the pace of Caden, who I thought was an unbelievable performance from him today. And you know, if you're a centre half, I certainly want to be playing against his pace. We know now where he's going and where he's going to run, and we've got the players in the side that can pick him out, and hence that's how we got the penalty in the first place.
That's you unbeaten in 9 games now. You're in good form, going pushing for the playoff places.
Yeah, well, we've got to stick in there. You know, 9 games unbeaten, 5 wins, 4 draws. We could have had a couple of wins out of those draws, but we could possibly say that all season, and we've got to keep it going, because we know that if we don't, then you're going to fall behind. So it's a weird league this season. You know, it's a matter of you've got to keep winning, you've got to maintain the level of performances that we're now producing, but we've got a chance. You know, because beginning of February it looked like if we didn't have a good run of games, then you know we was going to be out the running, and we haven't lost since the start of February, which has been great.
And looking forward to next week, Easter weekend, big weekend starting away at Grimsby.
Yeah.
But you'll be going there full of confidence, and you've got momentum behind you now.
Yeah, we have. You know, both of those, confidence, momentum. The next 3 games, you know, the 3 teams at the top of the league. So it's a test for us. But what I will say is that performance today, that they deserve to be at the top if they can beat a team, if we can reproduce a performance like that, and that's what we've got to do. If we can emulate that next week, or even better it, then they've got to be a good side to beat us.
Gary, well played today.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you.